Okay, welcome guys to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're doing an egg. It's a pretty basic one, but sometimes people struggle with this one. So I'm going to start with just a circle. Just going to scale this up. Press G, bring it up. Edit mode. Press F for fill. I'm going to go E for extrude. And we're just going to make the base round. So what I'm going to do, make a double plane for you guys so you can see. Press 1. Going to shift that down. It's pretty basic build, really. So go to E for extrude. Scale it in. E for extrude. Scale it in. E for extrude. So we're just going to scale in all the way to the bottom. Until we reach just there. So select this top face right here. Go to the faces if we can't select it. So that's the base of the egg. We're going to go E for extrude. Scale it in just slightly. You just want to make this side a little bit longer. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to select everything. I'm just going to scale this up just slightly. So we can just pull these vertices out. Select your top face. E for extrude. Scale it inwards slightly. E for extrude. Scale inwards. E for extrude. Scale inwards. And then we're just going to continue doing this kind of all the way up. I'm just going to backtrack a little bit, just scale it out. E for extrude. Scale inwards, E for extrude. And then we'll scale. And then eventually just round it off at the top. Kind of thing. So we have this kind of shape. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press 1 to go sideways. We want the X-ray version. I'm just going to bring out some of this just slightly. Bring it up. Let's go with the center right here. Scale that outwards. Bring this down. Not all legs are perfectly round, so I mean. And then I'm going to select it all and just like scale it up just a little bit. Okay, so that's like a basic kind of egg, if you will. So I'm just going to shade it smooth. It's a little bit wonky on one side, but we can do add modifier, you can do smooth as well. Just smooth it out a little bit. Because not all legs are one singular shape, they're kind of odd shaped. So that's something that you can totally do. For your texture for your egg, we can do shading. Just turn the texture on. Okay, so right here we can do bump, normal to base color, and we'll notice that it goes this kind of weird hue. So now we want a noise texture, color to height, and this will give us the bumpiness that we need for the egg. And then we want to add a color ramp. And we'll add like a kind of very pale orange kind of colour to the egg. I'm just going to bevel maybe Maybe use a bevel. Just bevel this off just a little bit. Okay, so that's kind of like our basic kind of egg. Just gonna select those vertices right there. I'm just gonna scale this outwards just slightly, and then take these, just bring it down. I think it's a bit too sharp on top. Oh, okay. Bring that in slightly. So there's our basic kind of egg. And yeah, that would be it for the tutorial, I guess. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.